Hi folks, today we're going to show you how to use the Ohio School Counselor Accountability Report template, and we're going to show you just a few quick easy things to make working with this a little easier. The first thing we're going to do is show you how to insert your school logo, and so we'll go here in the upper left hand corner and just delete the text that says insert school logo. Then we'll go out and you're just going to find your school logo wherever you've got it saved on your computer on the internet, copy, and go right back here and paste it in. I'm going to resize mine just a little bit to make it look a little better. The next thing we'll do is go down to the headers. That's these colored areas above where your text will go, and you can change the color scheme of the headers by going up here to the fill tool. That's the little paint bucket, and clicking the down arrow, and then you'll see that you can choose whatever color scheme you would like, and you will need to go through and do that to each individual header when you find the color that you like. The next thing, below the headers are text boxes for you to type in, for example, your principal's message, and you'll just delete that text and then type to your heart's content. Down below is where it gets a little bit tricky, and this is the first time that we come to two text boxes that are separate, and one is going to be used for your information or text, and the other one is meant to be used for a chart or some chart data that you might put into your accountability report. So the way this works is you'll notice that these are both text boxes. They both have borders. One is invisible and the other one is visible for now. I've left it visible just so that you can see where that box is. It makes it a little bit easier to resize it later on when you need to do that. I will show you how to get rid of that border here in just a minute. With your chart data, you're probably going to make that chart data in Excel, and I want to tell you that if you do that, it might be a little bit difficult to just copy it directly from Excel and try to paste it back into this text box. It kind of plays havoc with the formatting a little bit. So the best thing to do, the easiest thing to do, is still go ahead and make your chart in Excel, but take a screenshot of it. And there's a couple easy tools you can do that with. One is the snippings tool that comes with every Windows computer. You can find it in the utilities or accessories section of your computer. The other one is something you can download easily off the internet called GreenShot. Both of them will take a screenshot of that chart, and then it's a lot easier to paste it back in to this area. I'm going to show you what I mean just with a sample chart that I made to show this. So all I've done is copied it. I took that screenshot earlier with GreenShot, and now I'm going to first delete my text and I'm going to paste it back in. Now notice that my formatting is still a little bit off, so I need to play with this a little bit and resize it. Notice that if I click that picture inside the box, I can actually now resize the picture and make it just a little bit smaller so that maybe it fits a little bit better. And then when I've gotten it pretty close to the way I want it, that's good enough for me. I need to come back over here and resize this other text box so that it doesn't overlap, and now I should be good in both spots. If you don't like this border, all you need to do to get rid of it is right click on the border, go to Format Text Box, then up here under Line you'll go to Color and No Color, and then your border is invisible. Down in the rest of the template you'll find other text boxes. Some have borders, some do not. These are invisible borders. You can put the borders back on if you want. You can remove them if you don't like them. They're there for you to play with. Hopefully this has been helpful and you will have a successful time working with your template. Thank you.